Hey guys, it's Vaughn's Classic Cars here, shooting you a video over a 1966 Chevrolet C10 shortbed pickup. This thing just rolled into our showroom. Real cool little truck, 283 V8, 3-speed on the column. Truck runs and drives great down the road. All new paint, fresh restoration all throughout. Got the new oak wood bed put in it. Paint's nice. Could use a wet sand and buff. If we get time, we're going to try to do that. Could either do that for you or reduce the price a little bit so you can have it done. Looks like new Dolphin gauges in it. Upgraded stereo system. Says 3-speed on the column. Horn button's missing there. Needs to be tended to. New seat cover. Nice seat in it. Nice comfortable seat. Glass is all good condition. Looks like the rubbers have been all replaced. Nice little short bed. Sitting with the hubcaps on it and regular wheels with hubcaps. It's had new dual exhaust system run out the back. Clean underneath. Looks to be a good solid truck. The trim for it is in the back, the side trim. Not sure if we'll get time to install that, but we're gonna sure try. Shop's awful busy, so not sure how soon we can get on it. Looks like it had new door handles put in it when it was painted, restored. Manual steering, manual brake truck. .283 V8. You got your Ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Look like the heat's all hooked up on it. Newer battery. Upgraded aluminum radiator. Looks like a new master cylinder there. New alternator. Let's fire it up here and let you hear it run. Got dual exhaust on it, not real loud, but sounds nice. It's like 2,639 miles since it was restored. Will be sold exempt on the mileage. Neutral there. New speakers down there on the kick panels. Radio. Like a new rear view mirror. New visors. Man, she sounds good. New tailgate chain's been put on it. Motor sounds really nice. Alright, so there's a 1966 Chevrolet C10. We offer great financing options and we ship to your door. Give us a call, 618-336-5210. You can go to vaughnsclassiccars.com to apply for financing. We're located 60 miles southeast of St. Louis on Highway 127, 8 miles south of Nashville, Illinois. 618-336-5210, vaughnsclassiccars.com.